Alrighty. Yeah. So this is a box that I got from, yeah, can you see that? I got it from Razorpay. It says somewhere over here, Razorpay X. Yeah, Razorpay. Yeah. Now Razorpay gives me a call. Yeah. And they say, well, Mr. Sinha, we've been seeing you've been collecting a lot of money in your Razorpay account, the last few months, etc., etc. Would you like to open a current account with Razorpay where we get to hold all your money and everything? I'm like, sure, man, whatever. So they send me a current account, a proposal and a checkbook. All I need to do is sign it, put my company name over there. I send it back to them. They say your current account is active. From now on, you can use it for, collecting money, making payments and things like that. I was like, okay, fine. They literally send me everything at my home. I've never gone to the branch. I've never gotten out of my house. A guy comes to my home and just does all the formalities. They send me a checkbook. They say, this is your current account. I'm like, okay, fine. This is great. Then I get another call from Razorpay. And they're saying, Mr. Sinha, you had said that you run these ads on Facebook and that's how you find your business. I was like, yes. Okay. How do you pay for these ads? I'm like, I have my credit card connected to my Facebook account. I pay through that. Okay. Well, we have our own credit card that we would like to give you. Why don't you run your ads on our credit card? And, when you make the money, put it in our current account. And when you have to pay off the credit card, you pay off our credit card. Okay. All right, so now let me quickly introduce you to this beautiful box pack that Razorpay has sent me. It's a bag of goodies. It's been quite a while. I haven't had the chance to open it, but I wanted to do it with everybody watching, with all the community in here. Let's do this. Yes?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Let me try this. Okay, yeah, they have a pull open tab. Okay, so there's a pull open tab. Let me just. Let me just put the laptop behind. Okay, so this is how it looks. Yeah, I'm just gonna open this paper. Okay, Razorpay corporate card. The whole box says Razorpay corporate card. Razorpay X corporate card. Okay. Okay. Amazing. It says everyone at Razorpay knows what it's like to build something from nothing. The long hours, the constant hustle, the endless pursuit of perfection. It's why we built something extraordinary for customer like you in association with SBM Bank India, the Razorpay X corporate card. With the Razorpay X corporate card, you join the group of pioneers who are building the future every day. Amazing. Welcome to the club. We can't wait to see you grow to new heights. Okay. So let me just see if I can bring it.
Yeah.
Hey.
Okay, let me take a snapshot. Yeah. Just give me one moment. Done. Thank you.
Amazing. Okay. Okay. So this is the big box now. Yeah. The Razorpay corporate card. Hopefully, I don't need a lot of hardware tools to open this because this is self-open, magnetic lock. Okay, this thing says, oh, you're building something for tomorrow starts with what's in your hands today. Yeah. Razorpay is providing even content material for us. आज का Facebook वीडियो बनाने का content मिल गया सबको. Okay, and there's a card is embedded in here. It says Rajat Mohan Sinha, and it says Copper Creek Management, which is the name on my Razorpay account. That's very good.
That's a lovely card. Awesome.
Yeah. I'd asked for the brand name Startup Fat, but I think they only put the name on the that's there on the account. Okay. razorpayx.com/cards and everything. That's amazing. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is amazing. I got to open this in front of you and show it. This is amazing. This is mind bending. Okay. So let me just back this out.
With the ribbon, you. Wow. Wow. Oh, wow.
So what is in this bag of goodies?
A lot of goodies.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yep. It says, wow, Rage Coffee sachet shots. Nice. Dark chocolate peanut butter. Kamali.
Oh, nice.
We've got high protein bar because yes, you need snacking. Everybody knows I try to.
So you got something to eat.
skip.
You got something to eat.
Yes. Wow, the whole truth. Peanut choco fudge. Beat this,
Wow.
man. Okay, then we have aromatherapy pack. Whoa. Yeah, aromatherapy pack.
Cool is a very, very nice brand. I have used it.
Yeah. Oh,
Very
wow. Kya baat hai, kya baat
They
hai.
make products from real flowers.
Okay, peanut choco fudge. Amazing stuff, man. This is crazy. Dude, killer. Thank you so much, Razorpay. Thank you so much. Razorpay. Okay. Okay. So there's another card over here. This card says, congratulations on getting your Razorpay X corporate card. Where'd the card go? I don't want to lose the card, man. And it's like all Wi-Fi enabled and all. It's a tap card. Visa. Yeah, Visa, Razorpay X, it says. Okay. Amazing stuff. Okay. Congratulations on getting your Razorpay X corporate card. We are so thrilled to have you as part of our community. This box is a small token of appreciation for all the hard work you put into building your brand and the hustle and the risk you take to be a little bit better each day. And guess what? The carefully curated goodies that you're about to unbox have been built by awesome people just like you who are scaling their businesses with Razorpay X corporate card. So they've got the co-branding built into it. Yeah, the existing customers have put together the goodies. And now take a break and enjoy some of it before you start simplifying your spend with your very own Razorpay X corporate card. Okay. So thank you so much, Razorpay. Really appreciate it. And this has been
awesome.
Thank you for opening it in front of us.
Super box. Super box for Super Coach. Yes.
Rajat sir, it's a great watch party.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yes, sir.
This is the best thing ever. Yes. I waited for a few weeks before opening because I wanted to do it in community format. And yes, so this has been very special with you folks and very special with Razorpay. I must say about Razorpay that the amount of services I've seen them expand for the customer. So at Startup we say just get the customer first, whatever the customer wants, try to supply it to them, right? So Razorpay is like mind-bending, the level of growth in the sense that their product portfolio that they have grown to support the customer for a real business is just crazy. So I'll just give you an example that before they issued me a current account and this corporate card and everything, there was a gentleman who actually called me. This is many months back, about 5-6 months back, and they said, how much money do you keep in your Razorpay? Then he asked me, do you use any other payment gateway and all that? So I said that the reason I love Razorpay because also the cheapest payment gateway and everything. And, I love Razorpay, but I move my money through some other payment gateways. And the reason is because I have multiple products, and whenever people buy into every product, there is a web hook which integrates with Teachable. So people, when they buy different courses, they get those courses directly activated. And Razorpay doesn't have those web hooks by product. They just give you one web hook. And that means you can only automate one product, but I have multiple products. So what happened was that they said, okay, we'll work on it. He said, I'm a marketing guy. I don't know what to do about it, but can you write me a detailed email about it? I said, yes. So I made a quick Loom video and I said, this is what happens in, other gateways. This is what, Razorpay, I want to use it more, but they don't have multiple webhooks. I kid you not, in 3 months, the guy calls me back and he's like, I forwarded your email to the technical team and I think they've activated, the technological thing. Yeah. And I'm not even a big player of the industry. Like the industry has many, other bigger players who may have given that feedback. I don't know. But this guy literally called me back and he said, you'll find that this is done. And then what happened was that So that was one thing. And then they keep coming up with like newer and newer integrations and stuff like that. Like they integrate with Zoho Books and everything. So the moment my CA said you should get Zoho Books for your business now because you'll be managing DST and this, that, the other, I was like, yes. And they have all the integration. Every day I log into Razorpay, there is like a new facility for you that they've created. Then they call me, they say, hey, would you like a current account? We'll just issue it to you. Like some guy comes to my house, just takes a few signatures and it's done. Like the current account is done, checkbook is issued. I've never gone to the bank. I don't even know which branch. I know nothing. They just gave me a checkbook, enjoy. Then they call me, they say, hey, how do you spend for Facebook? Would you like, why don't we give you an expense account? They give me like this, whatever the corporate, the corporate card, and it says Visa Platinum Business. Okay, so Visa Platinum Business, amazing. So there's the thing just arrives. Before the card arrives, they give me the number. They're like, here's the card number, start using it online, enjoy. We'll send you a gift back or whatever. So I was like, okay, this is amazing. So yeah, I really love Razorpay, and which definitely the payment gateway to check out for, because it's got hardworking people, and I have felt that they take care of customers, just like in the spirit of Startup Frat. You go all out for a customer or whatever it is. So these guys go all out. I really love Razorpay. So anyway, with that, let me open up the spotlight, and yeah, we can have a quick.
I think, sir, it is high time that we start moving towards Razorpay, because InstaMojo is creating trouble time and again. Like with, I think, Vinod Kumarji also.